Una, good morning. No need to smile. I know they mood. I know they mood at all. Just because yesterday, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Just because yesterday, I know fit too fine. I can't say, okay, make I leave and me only and carry the people along. Now you get guys to bring woman when no be Mayowa. Come this our matrimonial studio. You well? You waiting the body. You bring woman come our matrimonial studio. Come sit down on top our matrimonial chair. Put hand for our matrimonial table. Hey, touch our matrimonial Padi Padi. Hey, oh. Eh? You say? You say? Good morning, Jere. I dey greet everybody this better morning. Today will be Wednesday. Make I no push my anger enter on now. So you go there. Till the end of this show, ancestors go beg me. Gods go beg me. You know. And you know me, Ogbolo, you know me. You know me. You are aware of my capability in anger of jealousy. You know. You know me. Anything I say, don't be saying be saying yes, auntie. You know me. We get video for now. We dey come back. You day like that. Woman, come this joke. Woman, come. They pinch me. Woman, come this joke.
Oh, baby, I miss you so much, my sweetheart. Baby, my tomato, Papa, the only digestive I'll eat. Baby, if you're rice and stew, I will mix you. The only sugar in my garden, my Fanta face, Coca-Cola body.
Eh? You laugh. You dey laugh. Bring your face. Bring your face. Hey! You bring woman come this show.
Mayowa, now she force herself. Oh.
You bring woman come this show.
Now she force herself. She don't know when we dey here. She just come say she want me concubine. I not do anything. I just wake up. I just see her for the show. And then I don't just know. She say she be lawyer. Her name na Olive. She just come, just carry herself. Come.
You don't know her. You don't know her. Una know they relate. But you know her name. You know what she dey do. You know which size she dey wear.
Yes. Yeah, even her account number, I know.
You know everything.
I be aware, somebody. I dey very aware.
Ogbolo,
Mayowa.
you bring woman come this show.
She can't find self. If you see her, if you see her, she find.
I need to zoom this thing come my face. Ogbolo, you know, say on a normal day. On a normal day, now normally I dey do this my eye pencil. Ogbolo, because of you, I don't extend this eye pencil. Still yet, your eye don't come off another. Ogbolo.
No, because you try to do Cleopatra eye. She.
Ogbolo.
But the girl, if you see her, you go there impressed for me, sir. You go there tell me, say, oh boy, you dey try, yo. Serious. Not be joke. But now she forced herself. Now I call her winch yesterday. Even though I tell her say you be higher winch. You understand? I see improve your level.
So Ogbolo, between me and Olive now, who do you prefer?
Hey! I don't know who I.
Come.
Waiting. Not be like this. We're not going to do this thing.
This morning, talking about this woman matter, I get into one I want to tell you. Now remember that Stephanie Okereke brother, where they thought say you have raped a girl. Now somebody say a first girl come this show. Hey, Ogbolo. Ogbolo. Okay, let us just go back to the business. Stephanie, her brother now come out, come talk say no, I don't want to hear if I hear one more now she tell the people say she no rape anybody. Say he no rape anybody at all. Say the girl one thing, two of them then they collide together. Now you can't hear the girl here say in the inside serious relationship. Now she say I will spoil your name until you settle me with 2 million and one Toyota Yaris motorcar. Now the boy can't say for what? Why? Say okay, make them think and well. She talk say there be 7 hefty men beat him up Abi, say as e big so, na the person beat girl before him go fit touch light am by force. Say wetin be the name of the beating wey dem beat am? He can't even talk again. He talk say she vandalize some of him properties. Na person wey no get strength, wey they don beat, na him go fit scatter things like that. You know, he just carry him own story comot. Say after all, the girl don talk say she go damage him image. But all these ones, you know, make sense. Say he just keep quiet, they watch everybody. Say but the thing don too reach am here. He need to talk. Na him make am talk. You understand? Because you wan contribute. You wan talk?
I understand.
Yeah, talk.
Hey, una good morning, though. Una good morning.